Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, I am back with another beautiful ideas of Merry Christmas 2025. The decoration is so beautiful, so attractive and so amazing. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then please like, share and comment. All collection, all designs are super classy and so creative. Dyed Christmas decoration ideas that decor your home very elegant, very stylish and very beautiful. Home decor ideas are available on my YouTube channel. A huge amount of variety, a huge amount of collection. Christmas is so unique, so beautiful festival. Everyone waiting for the best YouTube collection videos related to the Christmas. So guys, if you are new on my YouTube channel, then please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. The most demanding and the most beautiful and most collectively designs that day you are so attractive. Use these design for your home decor ideas. Watch, like and comment.